Okay, now we have added 4 columns. We will be moving on to add beams. Just to check if it looks okay in 3D, I'll click on this 3D icon at the top, and this looks fine. I'll go back to my first level and I'll start adding beams. Now for beams, I'll go to structure, and this is the beam. The shortcut is BM. So PM, no enter, only BM. And again, just like columns, it loads by default an I section, steel beam, which I don't want. So I'll go to edit type and load. And I'll go back because this is structural columns. There's no structural beams here. They call it structural framing under the same library. So just to go back, this is my library. I'll go into English. I'll go into structural framing. Frame is like a beam. Concrete. And there are, sorry, I'll just go back again. There is this beam that I need now, and then there's this beam that we'll add later for our waffle slab. So what I'll do is I'll just add this beam first, and it's already loaded 300 into 600. I'll keep it for now. If you want to change the depth, you can go via your span by 25 ratio or whatever it is, but 300 by 600 is working fine for me, and I'll click OK. Actually, I'll just make it 400 by 600, 400 by 800, because the span is 10 meters. So I'll go 400 by 800 and I'll click OK, and then I'll start adding the beams. For this, you need to add from one edge of the column to the other edge of the column. If this happens, you can always sort of extend it outward. Okay. Again, BM. You can go from center to center as well. Okay. It automatically trims. Again, BM. Here to here. And BM from center to center. Now here I need to align this to the outside. So what I'll do is I'll use AL, and this is my reference, this is my target. So now we have 4 beams. If I look at this, it looks like this. Great. Now similarly, I'll add several beam systems, but we are not going to draw each and every beam manually. This is how at the very basic level you draw beams in Revit.